is no longer entrenched in law. It is essentially a matter of practice, and we shall deal with it in the fullness of time. 2 is the question of faulty matters. This I will have to inquire more about, because what I have been briefed is that we have had problems in procurement of both meters, actually of all items. Yes, but meters more so, and transformers. What has happened is that these cartels that Honorable Chunga talked about, and Honorable Koech, I think, these cartels have become so pervasive, Honorable Speaker, that they can't allow a tendering process to proceed to conclusion and awards be made without creating roadblocks. We all know for sure that KPLC, being a publicly listed company with majority shareholding being government, is governed by the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act of 2015, which act, as we all know, Honorable Speaker and members, gives room for tenderers, yes, for bidders, to lodge complaints at every other stage. But that is being abused, Honorable Speaker, by entrenched cartels. And we shall have to work closely with my colleagues in the ministry to deal with this menace, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Koech, on the matter of G2G deal, the G2G deal, it's indeed true, Honorable Speaker, that I, alongside my other colleagues who are vehemently opposed to this scheme. But let me tell you, Honorable Speaker, that was then.